Okay, so one of the first things we have to do is, of course, open up our tailgate. Then we're going to remove our 3 mounting bolts. Now we're going to come up along the top here with our plastic trim tool. That way there we're not going to scratch up our paint any more than it is. Something to pay attention to is as you try to take this off, typically they break. There we are. Up along the top they have these little tabs, and that's essentially what we were trying to pry down and underneath the tailgate itself. At this point I can lift up on this and draw it away. To get this in, you want to make sure that you have this flat area down along the bottom. I'm just going to line it up. Start with the bottom aspect, and then we'll push in the top. That latches it in. Now at this point, we can line this up a little bit. We'll open up our tailgate and then put in our mounting bolts. Okay, I'm just going to move that handle around from the outside aspect. We'll line up all of our holes, start in all of the bolts, and then we'll snug them up. Now with them all started, let's continue by tightening them.